Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I will show you how to convert a stereo soundtrack into a mono soundtrack. This can be achieved easily by using a software called Audacity. First, let me open the software. Audacity is an open source software and free software that you can use to record and edit soundtracks, sound files, or audio files. So in this video, I'm going to convert a stereo soundtrack into a mono soundtrack. First, let me open the audio file. Go to File here and click Open, and then select one of the files, audio files, stereo audio file. As you can see, this is a stereo audio file. It has two audio channels for left and right, and now there's a problem with if I convert this to mono directly, these amplitudes can adds up, and then it might clip top part of the audio. So to avoid that, I will first attenuate or reduce the amplitude of these two channels. In order to do that, go to effects. Before that, click press Ctrl A to select the complete audio tracks, and then go to Effect, Volume and Compression, Amplify. In here you can type the amount or you can use the slider to select. I will select around -10. Let me correct it, -10, and click Apply. Now you can see it will reduce the amplitude of the audio channels. Then I'm going to split this stereo track into two separate mono tracks. For that, click on these three dots in here, and then go to split stereo to mono and click. Now it splitted the stereo track into two separate mono tracks. Now I'm going to export this as a single mono track. For that, go to File, Export Audio, click on Export Audio. Then you can select Export Computer, and in here click on Browse. You can select the destination folder and give a file name. I will say something like this and click Save, and then click on Export. Now you can open the audio file you just created. File open, and then select the file and click Open. Now you can see it has created a single mono track by using the two separate channels of the stereo track. You can compare this resulting mono track with the stereo signal. As you can see, the amplitudes have added up to make the final mono track. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give a like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more informative, more useful videos in future. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.